Do you know you can make money on YouTube without actually creating contents? Yes, you can make money 100% without actually creating content. And this is what I'm planning on going into right away as I'm talking to you. I have done several researches about it and I am well grounded on how to succeed with this. Now, in this post, I'm going to be telling you how to make money on YouTube without actually showing your face and creating the contents. I'm Solomon Chis from Solo Communications. Let's go there. All right, one of the hardest things to do as a content creator is to stay consistent with creating the content. All right, you have to shoot the video, you have to edit, and so on. And that is why this mode of making money from YouTube is the best and the fastest. And I have decided to go into it. Now, I regret not being able to understand this for a very quite long time since I've known about it. All right. Now, this is the idea. The idea is Faceless YouTube channel. It is called Faceless YouTube channel. Now, what is Faceless YouTube channel? Faceless YouTube channel is a YouTube channel where you create and post content without showing your face. Okay, it can be a voiceover, it can be a series of videos with write-ups and so on. Hence, you are not showing your face. Okay, why do you have to choose this method? It is fast, easy, and you are going to be more consistent. Okay, you will not think about the editing process and all that. And some of us have phobia for cameras, so you don't have any excuses to make money on YouTube. So in this video, I'm going to walk you summarize step-by-step process on how to get started and succeed from Faceless YouTube channel. All right, now if you have not followed me, make sure you follow me. Here we talk about different ways you can make money with your smartphone as a youth in particular from the comfort of your home. Okay? If this is what you're interested in, make sure you follow me. And if what I'm saying is making sense to you, please come in the comment section and say, Solo, you are making sense. And make sure you share this video to 1 or 2 people. I will appreciate that. It's going to help the algorithm push this video out more to more and more people. Your brother could be involved. These are the steps on getting started with the Faceless YouTube channel. The first stage is to create your account. Like you're going to see me do that in the next video I'm going to be posting. So create your YouTube channel account. When you have created your YouTube channel account, a professional YouTube channel account. So if you don't know how to do that, just go to youtube.com, sign up with your email address, and you are done. You are done. You can then verify with your phone number and you are basically done. All right. Okay. Now, step 2 is to choose a niche. Make sure you choose a niche. A niche is where you will be comfortable to talk about something you know you can talk about all the time. Even if they wake you from sleep, you can confidently talk about it. So you won't be lacking content. Even if AI is doing it for you, you'll be getting more ideas on your own as well. So choose a niche. You don't need to talk about this today and talk about this tomorrow, so that you can become an authority. And when someone wants to find out information about a particular topic, the person just know where to get to. And so when people search about you on Google, your videos can pop up. All right, so choose a niche. So I'm going to be suggesting top 3 niches I feel is going to make you succeed very fast. The first is make money online niche. All right, make money online niche. This is very successful niche. Okay, you are going to make money from it in different ways. YouTube is going to pay you. You can be selling digital products there, so it's a win-win niche. All right, you are going to go, maybe you go to an affiliate marketing platform, pick a product that is related to make money online, and then make a video related to that, and put the link, your affiliate link there. People are going to buy it. You are going to be making a whole lot of money from that. So that is why I prefer make money niche. All right, so it's either make money online niche or make money niche. Either of them is cool. Number 2 is the tech niche. Tech is going to pay you a lot of people. I include AI in the tech niche. All right, so you're going to be talking about AI, you're going to be talking about tech products, tech reviews, tech blah blah blah, whatever that is related to tech. You are going to be making a whole lot of money from that. And the last one I'm going to suggest to you is on health. You see, health is wealth. Everybody needs to be healthy before they can do their day-to-day activity. So when people hear something, somehow they will come to follow you so that they can be getting a day-to-day update on their health issues. So if you are related, if you have anything to do with the health industry, okay, it's very important to create a YouTube channel. It's going to succeed very well. And the bonus niche is fitness. Okay, fitness. So if you like gym, a lot of people like gym, you can go in there. You can go in fashion, you can go in, there are different niches you can go into. All right, these are the ones I just selected for myself that I feel is going to be good and easy for you to succeed. Now the next thing you are going to do is to start creating your content. All right, so how do you create this content? Now go and search for creators, at least 5 creators under your niche. Check their most recent and high performing content. Check their most recent and high performing content. I'm going to be using Make Money Online, which is my niche, as an example. So I'm going to search, go to YouTube and search how to make money online. I will check out the top creators and then select their 5 recent and successful videos. Okay. And then from there, I'm going to be selecting my ideas from there, or recreate what they have created. How do I do that? Good. This is how I'm going to do that. I'm going to make a replica of that script. Okay, I'm going to make a replica of that script. Okay, when I make a replica of that script, I'll go to an AI platform called invideo.io, as I'm displaying on the screen. So let me just summarize it. When you go to the website called invideo.io, open the website and then create an account, sign up a free account. Okay, then copy the script you have created from the video you saw, or maybe a video you generated from ChatGPT. All right, or copy from a video you saw, a viral video. I prefer a viral video because the video is already. Now if you want me to make a special video on how to make these AI videos using ChatGPT and this in video, just how to create the video, then come to the comment section and comment in video so I can make a dedicated video on how to do this, because this one is just to tell you that it works. So the next can be how to make the video. So let's proceed. So copy your script either from a viral content or ChatGPT, come to invideo.io, paste the script and then click on generate video. All right, click on continue and wait for it to generate the video. You can see it doing the magic, analyzing, planning music and voiceover. Everything will happen automatically to generate a good video for you. And then let me show you the video it generated just with this thing I just did now. Continue and it will generate the video for you. Let me just play this one that I just generated so that you understand what I'm saying.
I'm sharing how I made my first $100 online in 2024, right here in Nigeria. No tricks, no scams, just real cash for simple tasks. First, head over to website name. It's super easy to sign up, just an email, a password, and you're in. Once you're signed in, you'll see a list of tasks. These tasks can be anything from filling out surveys to testing apps. Here's the best part. Each task pays close to $100. When I first started, I was skeptical, but after completing my first task, I saw the money hit my account. And guess what? You can do it too. So what are you waiting for? Give it a shot and start making money online today. Remember, consistency is key. Keep at it, and you'll see those dollars rolling in. Thanks for watching, and happy earning.
So that is the amazing video in video.ai just generated right now. So you can see how many videos and how fast you'll be able to make videos if you are doing this Faceless YouTube channel. There is no editing, nothing. I'm going to be making another video on how to create contents there using InVideo. Okay, that is why you need to subscribe to this channel. Follow me wherever you're seeing me so that you can know when I make this post and start with me. I'm going to be posting my journey from day one. All right, now if you don't have all the time to do all that, maybe writing the script and all that, you're a very busy person, the most advised way is to go to ChatGPT. And for instance, I'll just open chatgpt.com, then I'll tell ChatGPT, act as a YouTuber. This is, for instance, if you want me to teach you this whole thing or in private, just send us a DM using the link in the description bar, right? Like we can teach you privately. So just say act as a YouTuber, create a maybe 5 days, for instance, 5 days viral YouTube content script on how to make money online. All right, so you click on it to generate. Now now ChatGPT is going to do the whole script for you. All you need to do is just copy the script. Okay, all right, so it's done generating it. All you need to do is just to copy the script and then go to invideo.ai and paste it as well. All right, and we are good to go. That is why it is very amazing. So you can see that growing into monetization is very easy. Okay, it's very easy. If you want to make a dedicated video on this, please let me know in the description bar. But if you want me to teach you this privately, very like teach you create. If you guys want me to create a group to teach you this, then please let me know in the comment section, and then click on the description. You will see my WhatsApp link in the description bar. Please click on it and then DM me on WhatsApp. Let's see how many people that will come. Then I'll see if creating the group is necessary. If not, just let me know if you want me to make a dedicated video on this, and I will do it. Thank you. AI. So we're going to be moving from one AI to the final AI. So ChatGPT, just pick the topic the person talked about, go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to create you a YouTube script on that topic. ChatGPT is going to create that script, copy the script, go straight to InVideo, paste the script there. InVideo is going to generate a full video for you, generate a voiceover. Now, InVideo have added a feature where the AI can now study and replicate your voice. Okay, so you don't even need to use Oyibo voices for the voiceover. The AI will now generate your voice as a voiceover. It will study your voice and reproduce it as the voiceover. So this will make the video more natural and realistic. Okay, so copy it from there, paste it there. It's going to generate the video, and you pick the video, design your thumbnail, and then you post it on your YouTube channel. Now, another thing you're going to do is to just your niche, you just go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to generate 30 days YouTube content for this niche, 30 days viral YouTube content for this niche. All right, it's going to make a list of 30 days YouTube viral content and then start creating the topics, start creating scripts on each of them. It's going to do it. This is going to help you stay consistent for the next 30 days. All right, and that is it. You are going to be successful. Now, with this, you are not doing any job. Your AI is going to be doing it for you, and you're definitely going to be successful. I'm Solomon Chus. I think I'm going to end this video here. What you need to do to stay posted and know when I post more videos on my journey to monetizing my Faceless YouTube channel is to subscribe. I'm going to posting the day one to the last day from where I say I created the account, and I'll be documenting everything where I created the account and where I made my post, research, my research, chose my niche, made my research, I made my first post, and how it's going. All right, and I'm going to also show you how to make and optimize your YouTube post. If that is what you want to do, subscribe to the channel, smash the like bell, and share this video so that more people would see it. If you think what I'm doing here, you like it, please come to the comment section and say, Solo, you are making sense. I'm Solomon Chus from Solo Communications. This is where I'm going to be ending it for today. I don't want the video to be too long, and get ready for the next video that is coming. I sign out.